Hello friends, welcome to a new video. In today's video we will talk about how to solve not messaging problem if messages is not coming, how to solve it. Before proceeding further, if you are the first on this channel, please subscribe the channel and like the video and also press the bell icon. So let's start. First we have to go to the settings, then press apps. You will see career settings. Go to the storage and services. If you have not clear cache, then click on clear cache. Then go to the messaging app, then clear the cache and clear storage if you want to. Clear settings and then your app will definitely works. I hope after watching the video you got some value from this video. If you like the video, then please subscribe this channel and like the video.